Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Ask Sanjeev Mishra. You can also ask questions by putting hashtag Ask Sanjeev Mishra on Twitter, and we will check and we will try to answer those questions here. Now today's question is, what is Staenz and what do you do there? Well, if you are listening for the first time, Staenz is the company founded by me and few other co-founders, and we are online business training providers. So if you want to go online with your business, if you are running a small or medium sized business, the traditional business, and if you want to go online, if you want to make money through online businesses, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, blogging, and you want to generate passive income, then in that case we are here to help you. Staenz is here to help you. We provide online business education, and there we cover sessions. We have one-on-one sessions, we have mentorship program, we have mastermind groups, we have a lot of online and classroom programs where you can enroll and you can learn digital marketing, online marketing, internet marketing, all these things. You will learn about affiliate marketing. That means you don't have to create a product. What you have to do, you have to promote someone else's product and make money by selling those products. You can get commissions up to 70% and you can generate recurring income over there. So over Staenz, you have Staenz Academy, where we have a classroom program. We are just shooting this video in Staenz Academy located in Nashik, India. And here in classroom program, we teach the students one-on-one what things are there, and they have a lot of modules. The course includes more than 40 modules of digital marketing, and it covers almost everything related to digital marketing, including website building, landing page building, sales funnel creation, email marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads. All these things you learn in Academy in the classroom program. Whereas we have one Staenz training where we provide online training to people who are located at distance, they are located in some other places. Our coach will connect with you through Skype or Zoom, and they will connect and they will start the sessions online. You can join the sessions from your place. You just need laptop and internet connection. So through that, you can start learning the things like this, as I told earlier, you can learn about Facebook ads, Google ads, how to run those, how to do email marketing, how to blog and make money, how to create a website without writing any program. All these things you can learn from your own place. So you don't have to rush, you don't have to go somewhere, you don't have to attend any class, you don't have to move to a new city, you don't have to do it. You can just learn from your place. You just need a laptop and internet connection. And at the same time, Staenz helps in setting up your online business. It helps in kickstarting your online business career. Or even if you choose to become your own boss, we will help you in setting up your business, we will help you in getting your first sale. So that is what we do. We are in training, and I am responsible for marketing and implementation of things at Staenz. So that is what I do, and that is what Staenz is doing. So you can read more about Staenz, just visit staenz.com. There you will get more details, what things we are offering and what kind of training we are giving to our students. Our students are already doing good. A lot of students are getting projects. A lot of students are getting different projects, like most of them are choosing to do freelance. Some of them are choosing to become their own boss. They want to start their blog. Few of them started their own blog. They are also seeing sales. So that is really a reward for Staenz, and that is why we are working really hard. Our goal is to make more than 500 entrepreneurs by end of this year, and that is what we are working on. And I hope you will also join our journey, and we will be able to help you in creating your own online business if you want. So go and check staenz.com to know more about it, and we are basically providing online business education over there. So I hope I answered this question, and looking forward to see you over there. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with people who are interested in learning about online businesses or digital marketing. Let them know Staenz is there to help them and kickstart their business. You can post your feedback on comment area. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.